Taking a look at Luna Classic from the previous update, we can see that Luna Classic attempted to break away from this accumulation range. However, we were not able to clear the 3A2 retracement, which would suggest that Luna Classic is technically still considered bearish. Now, as long as Luna Classic remains below 64, there's no reason to assume that it is going to move higher. And once it gets over 79, we can actually say that it will move much higher, and a 618 retracement attempt would be in play at about 109. However, again, as long as we're below these two prices, we can just assume that the price is not going to move at all to the upside, but it will just go sideways or down. Now, the speculation here is that Luna Classic is forming some type of accumulation. As you can see, every time it comes to this range, Luna Classic has formed accumulation bottoms. It's just we have not yet seen the breakaway to confirm that that's actually what's happening. Now, in the event that it does finally break out, we would most likely see a move up to the 618 retracement at about 109. And once we get over 109, we can most likely look for a very large bull run to about 24 to 27, which you can see from this high down to the low is your 1272 and 141 at 32. You can also see that it's basically this area of consolidation in September of 2022, and it's the previous high from 2023. So in order to calculate the very large move to the upside, we'd actually have to take fib from the all-time high down to the low. And you can see again, the 786 is basically where the circle is, and the 618 is where our red box is. So if you want to just look at the macro picture and say, what price does Luna Classic have to break in order to confirm a big bull run? And I would say that price is about 22. So there's quite a lot of work to do for Luna Classic to turn bullish. But once it does finally clear this 22, we can look for 34, 59, and potentially 101 to 17 for 25x off of the low. But again, if we zoom all the way back in, there's no reason to assume that any of this will happen until Luna Classic gets over 79 and 109, in my opinion.